And he played a critical role.
Yatan augite guoya wake munene ni mathire maria thirikari cia kaunti iratigire matari marihe na kuria maseneta kunyitanyitia mawatho ma urogoti wa magoti maria monganagio ni thirikari cia kaunti na uhuthiri wa magoti macio. Yatan augite njira ino ni kuhuthiria thirikari nene murigo wa kurorwo iguru ni thirikari cia matura kibeca, akiuga thirikari nene kwa ihinda riri ni hatike ni mathire ma ngombo iria yagiriire kuriha.
And we've also realized that over time, the counties have over-relied on the equitable share and completely ignored own source revenue. And this impacts negatively. Sometimes county governments present huge budgets. This is the equitable share, this is the amount of money they are going to raise on their own. And yet they do not do it. If they do not do it, and they have such a big budget, you end up spending money that you do not have. And the process accumulates lots of pending bills, which now impacts on the general state of the economy at the county level.
Neateanirie riboti cia kuga ati kiondo kia utonga wa bururi thirikari njeru irakorire o ciringi milioni 93.
Some leaders were saying that okay, they did not find the coffers were empty, the treasury did not have money. There was only 93 million shillings that was found there. And we find it very really, I don't know whether to sympathize with the situation because there's a lot of ignorance about it. Government does not collect money, stores in one place, keeps for 1 month, and then distributes after 1 month or after 1 year. We raise revenue on daily basis, and we fund government on daily basis.
Kwaga kurumirirwo kwa mawatho hari kurekereria kigina kia mathire matarihitwo undu umwe na mutugo wa thirikari gukomba ni umwe wa maundu maria maseneta morotete hari kuhoma kwa utonga wa bururi.
The last item on that section 1209 article 210, it says the taxation and other revenue raising measures over county shall not be exercised in a way that prejudices national economic policies or economic activities across county boundaries and the national mobility of goods and services.
The issue of wage bill, it is true that some counties have employed in excess, but it is also true that there are counties that inherited a lot of staff from the functions that were devolved. And these counties, we can map them out as those former major municipalities in this country.
Muthenya-ini wa kana wa kigomano giki maseneta maririirie mutaratara wa kuhitukia ndereti cia uhuthiri wa mbeca na itemi ria maseneta gutigirira uhuthiri mwega wa kigina gia thirikari cia matura. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.